Putting on the front inner door handle on a 94 GL Prizm. These are pretty simple to do. You can order these. These aren't very expensive. And this little hook right here, it just slides right onto this little red anchor. And as you can see, there's how it hooks. That's at the anchor right there. You just pull the latch back to make sure it's caught in the groove. And all you do is you just slide it back up in its place right here. And there it is. There's a little tiny screw that goes in the back right here. And once you set that screw, then yeah, you will have installed a inner door handle on the driver's side on a 94 GL Prizm.